Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome as well. This video was requested by many of you to know how I keep my curls longer and how I curl my hair to look like this. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. So let's welcome Faith on board. Yes, I did try to put eyeshadow on her eyes and makeup and it didn't go well, but anyways, I just washed my hair. So I also found a way to actually wash my hair to actually glow and look this healthy, and I'm gonna do a video on that. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually detangle your hair, and I'm using a small comb. You want to start with a bigger comb, but my hair was super smooth in a way, so I just used the small one. But anyways, I couldn't also find the bigger one as well, so I lost my part during the wash. But anyways, I am gonna do the method of plugging after that. So going in with my newly found fave from Afro Botanics is this leave-in conditioner moisturizer and I'm just gonna use it for my hair. I'm just gonna like lightly put the product onto the hand, make sure that it is smoothly and easily blended in. I don't know why I'm saying easily, but because everything was just easy. But anyways, I did that, and then I went on and detangled the ends. You want to make sure that your ends are detangled. I did a similar video on the curling using this curling iron from Clicks. Guys, this is the bomb. I'm just plugging you right now. You may want to run to Clicks and buy this baby because it's the one. And so I basically showed like curling. I feel like, guys, we all know how to curl, so I'm just gonna fast forward most of the things, but I'm just gonna like show you first three layers of the hair, how I curl. I just take my hair and roll it on the curler, guys, like just like that, and then hold it. So for my hair, you guys, I don't hold it longer. It depends on what kind of curls I'm looking for, and also the amount of hair that you're picking depends on the kind of hair, the curls that you're looking for. So here is the truth and the secret that I found that have saved my curls for the better, you guys. The got to be glued freezing spray, y'all. My curls, I swear, have never been the same again. They last longer, they hold better. It's just like everything is just on point. So this is what, guys, has been saving my curls. This is the secret behind the curls. Like, you know, when I'm wearing my curls, just know that this is the spray that I used. So I normally just spray every time, guys. I spray as I go. I make sure that if I'm being extreme, I spray per layer of hair that I just curled. But guys, I use a lot of the spray to make sure that everything is in place and is held in place. So that is what I actually just do. I just curl my hair, spray, curl and spray, or curl longer and then make sure that I spray. So at the front, you guys, I actually don't weigh down the curl because I want it to hold long. I want it to be a little bit higher than the other curls. So on my closure, I make sure that I actually just and I don't unroll the curls. Usually you can use a pin for this so that the curls can, you know, hold longer. I find that the front part, when I do this, there's like this thing, like, you know, this thing that I'm talking about, like when I run my fingers through them, they actually weigh, like they have this weight that I don't know, guys, you'll see what I'm talking about. So at the sides and the back, I just normally just let them down because I'm not into intense curls. Actually, I didn't want intense curls for this. Another tip that I'm gonna give you guys is the longer you hold your hair in place into the curling iron, the more the curl is going to be defined. I also find that taking hair like into smaller sections, like if you're using smaller sections, your curls become more defined. So it depends on what kind of curl you're looking for, but I usually go on a medium sectioning to big because I just love this big curls lately. So another tip that I do, guys, I do not use a comb for this process. I use my hands. I run my hands through the hair. This has helped my curls to look more defined. And again, since I sprayed the got to be glued freezing spray, my curls don't even weigh down. Like when you do this, they actually become more defined and healthy looking. Like, guys, I swear, just try this trick and tell me what is your experience. But so far, this has been working for me. So I like to go in with this comb towards the front where my closure starts, more especially on the side, to lay my hair flat. Usually this process matters most when I'm wearing the wig. So this is how, if you see on the picture on towards the front, the hair is a bit flat before it weighs down on a side. That is what I'm trying to do, y'all. So I am going in with the spray Like, I'm just going all in, y'all. Like, I just want to set the curls in place for the whole day. Actually, these curls usually last me longer than 2 days to 3 days, even more, guys, depending on how I place my wig after wearing. But yeah, what I do is just keep on spraying, and then run my fingers through so that I do not have the intense curls, like, you know, those, like, it's more like natural curls, like they're from my head, like I was born with them, guys. But anyways, yeah, that is what I'm doing, and that is how everything is looking. If you did enjoy this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Also, do place a comment down below if you have anything to say, and also please click on the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, let me remind you guys that I upload every Tuesday and every Friday, and yeah, that is that, you guys. Like, if you want to see me every Tuesday and every Friday, don't forget to click on the notification button so that every time I upload, you get to see more of this and more. And yes, that is it from me and Faith, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching, you guys. Bye.